Hi, my name is Mugdha Kalra. I'm a business journalist, and this informative video is brought to you by She the People in collaboration with BSE Investors Protection Fund. मेरा काम है कॉम्प्लेक्स फाइनेंशियल कॉन्सेप्ट्स को आपके लिए सिंप्लीफाई करना और आपकी फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी में आपका साथ देना। आज हम बात करते हैं इक्विटी इन्वेस्टिंग की। बहुत लोग स्टॉक मार्केट्स के नाम से डरते हैं। They find it risky, volatile, complex, but also very intriguing. Investing in the stock market offers the potential for long-term growth, ownership in profitable companies, diversification of your funds, and also participation in economic growth. Warren Buffett famously said, and I quote, "The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect." तो चलिए इस कॉम्प्लेक्स मार्केट को थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं और आपके टेम्परामेंट को भी समझते हैं। फिर अगर आपको लगे कि ये उतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है तो आप अपने फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर से सलाह लेकर अपनी जर्नी की शुरुआत कर सकते हैं। Let us first find what a stock is. Simply put, when a company wants to grow and raise capital for expanding their business, they open ownership of their business to the public to become a shareholder and own a portion of the company. The company grows, the value of your stock increases and vice versa. स्टॉक मार्केट में वही कंपनीज लिस्ट होती हैं जो सेबी की गाइडलाइंस को पूरा करती हैं और स्टॉक एक्सचेंज वो जगह है जहां शेयर्स को खरीदने और बेचने वाले साथ आते हैं। Well, that's the very basic. आगे बढ़ते हैं। लेकिन कोई भी नई चीज शुरू करने से पहले उसकी थोड़ी बहुत समझ होना तो जरूरी है। So I would say even while starting your journey with an advisor or a guide, start educating yourself. Read financial news, pick a few books, go through some online courses. The market is full of good gyan, but be aware you should be learning from an authentic source and then doing what suits your investment and how much risk you can take. Then evaluate your financial goals, your investment horizon, and your risk appetite. Are you saving to buy a home, fund an education loan, make an emergency or retirement fund? Or you have already diversified your portfolio and now want to experiment here? In all scenarios, creating a budget is the most important first step. ये पैसा आपके इनिशियल एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए है, तो थोड़े से शुरू करिए और सेफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स से शुरू करिए। You will need to have 3 accounts in place: a savings account, a demat account, and a broking account. All 3 can be opened with a bank or separately as per your convenience. Equity investing is just one piece of your investment portfolio. Your overall investment mix can include various types of financial tools. Keep in mind that when you own stocks, you essentially own a piece of a business. ये business अपनी performance cycles से गुजरता है, तो जब business अच्छा है तो फायदा और business जब मंदा है तो शायद नुकसान भी। इसके लिए आपको मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड पूरी तरीके से रहना होगा और इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि यहाँ लॉन्ग टर्म ग्रोथ के बारे में ही सोचना चाहिए। Equity mutual funds come in different types. Some follow an index like BSE Sensex or BSE BankX. There is no need for fund managers to pick stocks. These are called passively managed funds. Others, called actively managed funds, have fund managers who choose stocks based on their fund's objectives. Now there are various categories of equity funds such as index funds, large cap, mid cap, small cap, flexi cap, and sectoral and thematic funds. When you invest in equity mutual funds, you let professional fund managers make the stock selections for you. They can provide a broader range of investments at a reasonable cost due to their expertise and the size of their funds. One of the highly recommended ways to invest in the stock markets is to set up a recurring SIP, systematic investment plan, which enables a consistent monthly investment over a period of time and also ensures that one is not entering the market at the wrong time, swayed by emotions or herd mentality. So start your journey one step at a time. चलते चलते मैं ये भी बताती चलूं that this video and discussion is for educational purposes only और आप जब भी कोई भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करें तो अपने फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर से जरूर सलाह लें और ये फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर सेबी सर्टिफाइड होना भी बहुत जरूरी है। Read all the related documents very carefully before investing.